Hey everyone, Trina here. Welcome to day 21 of the 100-day project. Today I'm going to lay down some gesso here and we're going to paint some watercolor over top of this after it dries. Just using my catalyst tool here to make some marks in the gesso. I just kind of want to see how it plays around with it, adding in some palette knife marks to create texture and just having fun with it. So here I went in with the Payne's Gray watercolor and I forgot to record it and hit a voiceover. So that's what I did here. So I put down a bit of the Schmincke brown and orange. And I forgot to press record. So we're in the middle of it. I just kind of want to add a little bit of this through here. Ooh, that's fun. I like how this, it's definitely interesting with the graining. Let's do some marks through here. I think that's gonna dry really cool. I need some more just blue up here. Give it a little bit more definition, maybe a little bit more through here too. I would kind of like this. It's really neat through there. It's got some definite possibilities. So let's let this dry. Actually, I decided I wanted to add a little bit of the Derwent. Let's see what that does with the gesso. I don't want to get too caught up in that, but I do want to add some dark bits in there. And maybe some of this, I think this is a brown color. Let's add a little bit while this is still wet. Trying not to get too complicated, but you know me. And that was the Schmincke, or the Inktense brown color, which I don't think I've ever really used. Okay, let's go in with some stencils here. I want something a little bit more bold through here. Maybe a little bit of this guy. Oh, it's way too dark. Okay. Maybe, I've been liking this one lately too. Oh, that did not work. That did not work at all. We're just gonna have to get rid of that. That was way too watery. Don't use watery paint in your stencil. Okay, let's try that again. That was a little better. Not much better. I'm having one of those days. Let's do just a little bit of that. Ooh, I kind of like that. That's kind of fun. I'm really just liking making marks with this stencil. I'm not gonna lie. Because it's pretty fun. Probably need some horizontal ones. Do I have any horizontal? There's this one right here. Let's do a little bit of that and a little bit of that. It's getting a little messy. I might want to add some white over that. I'm going to add some white. Just a little bit of white through here to kind of break it up a little bit. Or maybe it's just light, light gray. Not really white. I need to change my brush. Hold on. Let's try going in with the color shaper a little bit. Well, that didn't work, but I kind of like it. I'm having issues all of a sudden. Okay, let's try this. Got a clean brush. See if that makes any difference. Okay, let's go in with the ink black. Okay, brand new bottle of the Nico Azo Gold. Okay, so we're going to put it through here, and I think down here. It just needs a little pop of glaze, I think. That's probably way too much. Go back in with the color shaper. So I like the white here and here, but I think we might need a little bit of white over here. I feel like what it needs is a big blah. So we kind of got this going on. And I kind of feel like it needs to be a little white over here. Yeah. Okay, I just want to do a few lines through here. Ooh, I like that. And then I'm getting a little carried away here, but I like all the lines. I think the lines are neat. Okay, let's do... Let's see what happens when we put it. This is not very flat up here, so it's going to be weird. And then I think I need just like... What do we think? Let's go in for a close. Well, this is definitely different. It's sort of like a cross between a landscape and just an abstract piece. But I love all of the different layers and marks that we're getting through here. I've started to get some turquoise through here, like some greeny colors, without adding green. I like the sort of juddy thing going on here, and all the lines and layers through here are nice. I sort of wish I would have made this a little bit more solid through here, but it is what it is. It's not bad. Let's look at it with the matte. And here it is with the matte. What do we think? I think it looks good. I really like this part at the bottom. I think I could do something with this. Like if I wanted to change anything, I would probably make this a little bit more solid and a little less chaotic because there's too much chaos going on. But overall, I think it's okay. I think we can build on that. I don't know. I did like the gesso and the watercolor over it, but I think it needs to be more subtle. It needs to be more solid and less jaggy. I was sort of playing around there. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the video to the left if you want to see another video. And I will see you tomorrow for day 22 of the 100 Day Project. Thanks so much. Bye.